Hi, Andrew Camphy here with BetterSheets.co, helping you make better spreadsheets every single day.
Hello. So you're on the edge or on the fence of buying this 100 Twitter formats in a Google Sheet. I'm here to show you at least these two tweets on rows 100 and 101 to prove to you that there are 100 Twitter formats in here and that they are all one click away. What's most interesting about this is there are these keywords that you can replace with any word you want, any type of industry that you're in. You can replace it with a competitor or the product you're trying to promote. Look at this. I'm going to click once here. I have now created a tweet directly from the sheet. That was one click only. I can also add a URL. If you're not yet a member of Better Sheets, you should definitely give it a try because Better Sheets members get to see how this sheet is made. We can also add a hashtag or quote someone. We have a character count here. There's also a randomizer. Let me show you. You can randomize and get a tweet and tweet it directly from here. And Better Sheets members get to see how this is made. If you are buying just this Twitter formats and you're buying just this sheet, obviously, you can take a look at the formulas and reverse engineer, but Better Sheets members get to see the entire sheet deconstructed and explain piece by piece. I've created multiple videos that walk through different parts of this sheet. Go ahead, purchase this sheet, and you get 100 formats. You get this sheet that can be extended infinitely. I hope you purchase it. Thank you for watching.
Don't make any sheets, make better sheets.